Today you will take your Direct Objects test for Language Arts. Make sure you put your name and your class number at the top of the page. The date's not quite so necessary as the class number. Also remember that a direct object follows an action verb. There may be more than one in each sentence, and it answers the question whom or what after that action verb. It completes the action of the verb, and it's always a noun or a pronoun. For example, Sean sailed his boat. What did he do? The verb is sailed. What did he sail? Boat. Mandy collects rare coins. What does she do? Collects. The verb is collects. She collects coins. Your directions here are to draw 2 lines under the action verb and circle the direct object. You need to note that there will be 5 other verbs in these 20 sentences that do not have direct objects, but they are action verbs. Remember, 2 lines under the action verb, circle direct object. Number 1, the teacher stopped the fight on the playground. 2, Jason bought the cool sports car last week. 3, computers use electricity even if they are hibernating. 4, the soldier fired a gun at the enemy. 5, the kitten batted the ball of yarn around the room. 6, the fire destroyed the house and the car. 7, Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. 8, the pencil sharpener broke the pencil. 9, many people choose Pepsi instead of milk. 10, the body produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. 11, Jessie saved the kitten from the big dog. 12, Melvin plays basketball and baseball each year. 13, Todd sang a beautiful song in the class musical. 14, when we arrived at the airport, we boarded the plane. 15, Jim, Candy, and I ate lunch at the new Chinese restaurant. 16, Lily broke both legs when she fell from the roof. 17, according to statistics, drugs kill people every day. 18, the paleontologist found the dinosaur bones on her last dig. 19, Chance carries notebooks, textbooks, and pencils in his backpack. 20, when the chair overturned, it crushed the table behind it.